This banana cream pie is made with homemade pudding. It is one of the yummiest desserts on earth.
Bake in the preheated oven until filling sets, 12 to 15 minutes. Let pie cool completely on a wire rack, then chill pie in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving. Ingredients: 3/4 cup white sugar, 1/3 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 cups milk, 3 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 1/4 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 9-inch baked pastry shell cooled. For bananas sliced. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.